I'm getting exactly under it now. Imagine. Oh crap. No, that's not safe. Dude, go around. Go around. I can hear it, it's getting loud. It's roaring. They're both getting loud. Right now and right now. It's quite good in this field alone. Me just trying to casually walk without shaking the screen. That was hard! I bet you've actually barely heard me in this video because of how loud the planes are. You probably have heard me like a couple of times, but not a lot. Because of the only reason you hear me is because I scream! Maybe not scream, but shout. Shout! Come on now. Right, it's going to be final, okay? Because there will be more planes, but I'll put them in another time we come here. Because battery, 5%. Came here on 40, now 5, because of how much recording we've done. Go time again. What the hell? Alright, behind the screen. Like, it might be a little bit blocked, but it's better. I've never been this much behind Ryanair. Like, you can literally see its crack. Like the hole in the bottom, which lets the fuel out, the gas out, the crack. No, yeah, I'm not being sus on that. That vintage is final. When that's off, we're off.